This is my second part of my video on how to grow orange plants from your seeds. If you haven't seen the first video yet, I'll put that in an end card at the end of this video. Let's jump straight into it. Our orange plant it seems about the right size to transfer into our pot now. So transfer it into a larger pot so it can grow bigger. Make sure your pot's got some holes in for the water to drain out of, and you need the tray to collect the water in again, and you'll need your potting soil again. I think that orange plant is going to look quite nice in that pot. It's going to look a lot more professional and tidier. To release your orange plant from your bottle, just use your scissors and cut away the excess plastic, and then carefully remove it from the bottom by pushing up slightly. You could see that the roots were starting to go round a bit in this small bottle, which shows you that it needs to be transferred into a bigger container. To transfer into a bigger container, just half fill it with some potting soil again. Put your plant in, make a hole, put your plant in, and then top it up with some more potting soil. Don't forget to keep on watering your plant and keeping the soil moist every other day. You'll need to keep on emptying your drip tray every other day as well. This pot's I'm quite lucky with this pot in that it's got a drip tray that just clips in the bottom for emptying. Please click on the end card showing on your screen now for the first video, and to subscribe to my channel, please click the colourful lizard appearing on your screen now.